Hi guys, welcome to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Well, today I will tell you a totally different method for hair removal. I'm going to tell you a completely natural way of hair removal, which you might have never seen. It's best for those who don't want to use a razor and are really afraid of waxing too. I will show you results live in the video, so stay tuned. Let me ask you a question. How do you remove your unwanted hair? Some girls use razors to remove the hair. It's the easiest way to remove hair, but it's a big no-no for girls. Yes, shaving hair with a razor will make your hair thick and they will come back faster and you will have the problem of ingrown hair. Now come to another form of hair removal, which is waxing. Well, waxing is the most painful method for removing hair. Yes, it's better than the razor, but it's really painful, and you girls know that already. Some girls go for laser hair removal. It is again not natural and has many side effects. Let's do the natural way of removing unwanted hair. It's really easy and most effective. So without wasting time, let's start our remedy. But before that, press the like button, subscribe, and press the bell icon to not miss the latest video. Step 1. All you need is 1 tablespoon of gram flour, a little bit of turmeric powder, half a lemon, and a little bit of water in it. Mix it roughly to make a paste. Step 2. You can see my hand is full of unwanted hair. Now I will apply this paste onto my hands. Do it as I am doing. And cover your hands completely with the paste. Let it dry. It might take 20 to 30 minutes depending upon when it's completely dried off. Now you have to remove it. Start rubbing your hair in a circular motion as I am doing it. You will see that the hair will be coming off and it won't be painful as well. Plus, it will exfoliate dead skin, treat acne, scars, remove excessive oils, and make your skin fresh and glowing. You can see the results. It will do wonders. You can see my hand. The results are in front of you. I hope you like my remedy. Press the like button for my support, subscribe, share it with your friends. See you in my next video. Till then, bye-bye.